In this video, I'm going to show you how we make profit on a daily basis by copying trade so that you can understand and copy the trade in similar way to make profit on a daily basis. First of all, I want to reload this page because most people think that this is fake account or this is demo account. Here you can see it is reloading and the balance is still same. And here you can see there are few trades, and you must notice one thing here. All trades are of $200. This is one important thing to become profitable while doing copy trading in pocket option. I'll explain you why after a few minutes. Now here you can see $10,990 balance, and here is also $10,990 balance. And if you count here, 6 win trades, 3 lose trades in 24 July. And here you can see 9 trades and total profit was $288 and 67% was profitable trades. That means 6 trades were win, 3 trades were loss. And yesterday was Sunday, so there was no trade because we only make trade on regular currency pair in VIP copy trading and in all-time profit. So this is a profit of 20 days and the profit is $8,490. So this is an account of one of our VIP copy trader who copies our trade automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option. Now, as I have told you already, we only make $200 per trade. Since 20 days, this account is copying the trades of ours and is only copying $200 per trade each time. But if you want to copy our trade, then you can copy from $2 to $200, any amount that you want by setting up the percentage. Now, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. Okay, so now I'll show you everything in this account. So firstly, you log into your pocket option account and just click on this social trading. Now you can copy any of these people you want. It's your choice, but you will lose your money if you copy all of these random people. Why? Because here you can see max trade is $20, minimum trade is $1. And if you remember, we only make $200 per trade, not $1 per trade minimum or maximum $300 per trade. We trade on exact amount again and again, not up and down. But if you copy this kind of account, whose maximum trade is $20 and minimum trade is $1, or maximum trade is $500, minimum trade is $5. If you trade that account, then what happens is, here you can see the profitability is 60%. Now let's say this account wins 5 trade of this $1 and lose 1 trade of this $20. Then the profitable trades is going to be higher, but your loss will be higher because you only profited in $1 trade for 5 times and lost $20 trade for 1 time. That is going to be a straight $15 loss. I mean, it can be more than $15. If you can think properly, this is one of the reason most copy trader lose their money, and you should avoid it. And in order to avoid it and copy our consistent amount of trade on each trade, you can join our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And once you join that free Telegram channel, then you will see instruction on how you can join our VIP copy trading channel. There are over 300 people who copies our trade and are profitable, and we do post our result in that free Telegram channel. You can see those results by scrolling above. So once you decide to join our VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a UID like this from us in that VIP Telegram channel and few instructions on how you can set up the copy trading feature. And you just need to copy that UID and again go to your social trading feature and click on search and just paste that UID at here, and then our name will appear at here. This is not our ID, I'm just showing you as an example. And then just click on here and you will see maximum trade $20, minimum trade $20. If you want to see yesterday's status, you just click on yesterday and you can see the result of yesterday. And if you want to see the result of all time, you can just click on all time and you will see the result of all time. And let's go to today. Now, in order to copy us, you just need to click on copy. And as I have told you, we make $200 per trade. So if you want to make $200 per trade, then just leave this copy in proportion 100%. Okay, and then just click on confirm and you will start to copy our $200 per trade whenever we make trade. And whenever we make profit, you will also make profit automatically in your account. But if you just want to invest $100 per trade, then you just decrease this 100% to 50%, because 50% of $200 is $100, and then just click on confirm and you are good to go. Now let's say your account have $1,000 and you just want to risk $600 or $800. Let's say you want to risk $800, then you can type $200 at here, just type 200, and then what happens is if your loss amount exceeds the $800, you will stop copying us automatically. But one important thing, don't do this, don't use stop balance here, because I have got lots of complaint from my VIP copy trader that whenever they use the stop balance, not all of our trades are going to get copied in their account. So that's why I don't used to use this stop balance. But instead what you can do is, if you want to risk $800, then just withdraw your $200 and put the $800 in your real account, and don't trade by yourself. Just leave that amount in your account and don't use this stop balance. And minimum copy trade amount is $1. It's fine. And unlimited, in unlimited you don't need to put anything, because I have told you we only make $200 per trade, not up and down. That's why if you copy 50%, then you will only be copying $100 per trade each time. But let's say if your account is totally small and you just want to copy $2 per trade, then just make it 1%. That means 1% of $200 is $2. Similarly, if you want to make $10 per trade, just make it 5%, and 5% of $200 is $10. In this way you can do the copy trading setup, and just click on confirm and you will start to copy us and make profit like us on a daily basis, I mean. Okay, now I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.